All right. Now, Justice Katju, I know I've done a couple of interviews with you, and apart from being a judge, you're also a very proficient political commentator. You do comment on politics. So I would want to ask you about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that if he had at all paid attention to the propriety of the judiciary as an institution, he could have refused the invite. He could have said that, I will not attend, maybe citing some excuse or the other. He would have respected that Lakshman Rekha. But why do you think Modi chose to attend this Ganesh Puja along with CJI? Now, many people say that maybe this was a deliberate act to malign the judiciary. Now, do you see some kind of a conspiracy in this?
Listen, this man Modi has been trying to win over judges for a long time. You would remember he won over Gogoi, the former Chief Justice of India. He won him over, and Gogoi delivered that. He was the Chief Justice who delivered that shameful Ayodhya verdict, in which, on the one hand, the judges said that the demolition of Babri Masjid was a crime, but on the other hand, they handed it over to the Hindu organizations. So, and Gogoi was rewarded by being made member of the Rajya Sabha. So, this trend has been continuing for a long time. People like Arun Mishra, who was known to be very close to BJP, he was rewarded by being made chairman of National Human Rights Commission and by amending the act. The act said that only former CJI can be chairman. But to adjust him, law was amended that even a former puny judge of Supreme Court can be appointed.
What I want to understand from you, Justice Katju, that do you think that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is really in a desperate situation now? If he's trying to win over the judges, what you are saying, and I'm going to quote you only, you said that Prime Minister Modi has been trying to win over judges for a long time. Now he knows that he has formed a government with the help of allies, and everybody is talking about how long will this Modi government survive. So in the backdrop of this kind of a situation, do you think that Prime Minister Modi is really in a desperate state?
Well, he is in a desperate state because he does not have a majority in parliament now, and we don't know what is going to happen in the future. But at the same time, his habits will not change. His habits of trying to win over the judiciary, destroying the independence of judiciary, that will not change. There were so many chief justices of high courts who praised Modi and they were brought to Supreme Court. So Modi's habit of trying to win over the judges is not going to change. Leopard does not change his spots.
But what do you think about the future of Prime Minister Modi? Will he complete his 5 years term, or do you think that the forthcoming Vidhan Sabha elections will really be a game changer, sort of a thing for the opposition, and probably Modi will be shunted out? And many say that he will become a lame duck Prime Minister. What is your assessment?
Listen, it is very difficult to predict. We don't know because the situation in India is very fluid. Much will depend on these coming elections in Haryana and J&K, and thereafter sometime in Maharashtra. So the situation is very fluid. But certainly he is not the same Modi which he was with 56-inch chest. He enjoyed an absolute majority. Now he has got only 240 seats in Lok Sabha. So he is not the same Modi. But what will be his future is very difficult to predict.
But do you think that he has mellowed down to any extent?
He has not mellowed down. He cannot mellow down. As I said, Leopard cannot change his spot. He is basically an RSS pracharak. You must understand, Prime Ministry came much later. Basically, he's still a worker of the RSS.
He must have been an RSS pracharak, but these days, what seems from the interactions between him and Mohan Bhagwat, I don't think they are on a very good equation with each other. RSS has been saying, look at Mohan Bhagwat's latest comment that, let the people decide who is God. Why should one claim that he is a god? Now, these kind of comments show that RSS is not on very good terms with Prime Minister Modi, and they are trying their level best to, somehow force him to step down. Do you think that RSS can really create a situation like that?
Any day, any moment the RSS wants Modi to go, he will go. Because I told you that it is the RSS cadre which controls the elections. There is no BJP cadre. The cadre is of RSS. And they control the government. They sent out their men. Now, for example, they sent out Modi himself is an RSS man. Amit Shah is an RSS man. So they are ultimately RSS people who are in the
what I
government.
want to understand is Modi in control of RSS or RSS is in control of Modi? Because last 10 years,
RSS.
Modi had become very big.
No, RSS is in control of Modi. Anytime the RSS wants, Modi will go.
But what stops RSS from shunting out Modi?
Why should they shunt him out? He's useful for them. And he sends a lot of money to the RSS, into the RSS coffers. Why should they? He's doing their work.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.